Yeah,
post
exactly.
it on their Facebook and feel good about it.
Shoveling snow. Picking up a little bit. It's just been so, the last 3 or 4 days, it's been like
Dry.
just dry. There's not much coming down. Cloudy, but just nothing coming down. I think most of it went north of us.
Well, so what are we doing?
We're going to go ski around 3
We
for an hour.
should ski
They
for
close
an
at
hour
4.
at 3. And then
Bring all our stuff to the owner's lounge, whatever we want.
Get
It's
some
something to
cocktail and go maybe to a Scala
farms.
farms.
It's a lunar something tomorrow
Yeah,
night. I don't know.
We haven't been to
Oh,
Scala.
But it's Scala,
eclipse.
like we can get some
Lunar
cocktail.
moon or something.
Or I can even bring stuff.
Not that we're gonna see it.
Or we can go to drafts. You're right. Because it's been, the thing
Or we
doesn't
just bring a
start
pot of
until
chili.
7. But it was
No, we can be
insane. But again, that was still Sundance.
You know, it was so simple. Instead of going up, go back.
Oh, back up there?
Yeah.
I saw you fighting it. I didn't want to.
Yes.
I want to, you know.
Hang on a
make
second, this guy will tell you.
And me and her, we were debating that, okay, how we're going to do that now.
Yeah, I
And
said,
to
hang
me,
on, just
that
pull
was
your
end
window
of the
down,
world.
fill it
We're
till you're
afraid we were
ready
going
to
to get hit by the car. We had to
So
slide
gravity
sideways.
first.
Huh? Yeah.
Gravity first.
Yeah.
Right?
Gravity first.
Yeah.
That's what we think feels the smart one.
Who knew?
I will never forget the night that Peter tried to go down your truck
Oh my God.
to show us how bad his truck was.
Oh my God.
4-wheel drive, and he ran into my Range Rover and almost went through.
Nobody, that would be like,
Well, if our car wasn't there, he would have been in the living room.
oh,
And
absolutely.
then the very next night, Jen Flynn ran
hit
into the
again.
Range Rover.
That was actually a classic today.
You guys realize you just ran
So
into a
are they
freaking
going
Range
back
Rover
to
2 nights
Yes.
The
ago?
road. Oh my God. The same exact place.
Yeah, she wanted to just
Yeah, so Peter got out of paying for it. 'Cause
Mhm.
In 3 miles, turn right on Thames Canyon Drive.
have it in my house.
Are they living here again now?
Yeah. And
Promontory?
then- No,
No.
they're in a little condo right over here. At the Canyon, it's like those red pine centers.
Did they have a downfall or something?
Oh yeah.
Just-
Oh yeah. Oh, you didn't hear
You
this
have to
story?
pay
Oh
taxes.
goodness gracious.
Yeah, turns out you have to pay your taxes.
Turns
That
out.
turns out.
Let's
Yeah.
do this so that it's a
Oh,
dinner
tell me this,
conversation.
tell me
Yes.
this story. I
We'll,
wanna hear it.
we'll do a
We
dinner
will. We
conversation.
will.
They lost everything.
Oh, you're kidding.
You're supposed to pay your taxes. Turns out.
What?
She was living in her.
Half of the freaking cars and the High Life and all that shit? The freaking Spider and the Promontory
He
home?
didn't pay his taxes.
Well, and that's
Oh,
and I
man.
wonder why he shut down his private or left his private practice
Is he working?
and went to work for a big firm.
Now he is.
Now I
You don't
know.
run from those guys.
He went to
You're
rehab.
you're right.
Yeah, you
He's sober, but
Death and taxes are both to get you.